Hello everyone, welcome to WBJEE YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve CBSE class 12 math question paper, and this is of year 2024, and question paper code is 65S1. So this is the long 5 marks question. The question is saying check whether the relation S in the set of all real numbers are defined by S equal to A comma B such that A is less than equal to B cube is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So we have to check this relation whether it is symmetric, reflexive or transitive. So recall that for a relation R is reflexive when for all A belongs to the domain of R, the relation R, A comma A is belongs to R. Okay, so we have to check that for all real number, does A comma A belongs to S. So let us take a real number which is A belongs to, suppose, 0 to 1. Okay, A belongs to 0 to 1. Now you know that for all A which is less than 1 and greater than 0, for this A is greater than A cube, right? Because we know that when A is less than 1, A square is less than A, and obviously A cube is less than A square. That means these two implies that A cube is less than A. Okay, that means for all A belongs to 0 comma 1, A comma A does not belongs to S. So that implies that S is not reflexive relation. Okay, now symmetric. Now a relation to be symmetric, we have to find whenever A comma B belongs to S, that should imply B comma A belongs to S. We If we find such a comma B, then we have to check B comma A is belongs to S. So now take an example, counter example rather. So we are taking an counter example so that we will find that A comma B belongs to S but not B comma A belongs to S. So let us suppose A equal to 2 and B equal to 9. Okay, this A B belongs to R, both are from the real numbers, and observe that A comma B, this is in S because A is less than B cube. That means 2 is less than equal to 9 cube, which is 729, and this is okay. So A comma B is in S. So what is B comma A? B comma A means B is less than A cube. That implies 9 is less than 2 cube. That implies 9 is less than 8. This is wrong. Okay, this is not possible. So we find an AB such that AB belongs to S. That does not imply that B comma A belongs to S. Okay, then that means therefore S is not symmetric. Next, for transitivity, okay, so for this, if we have some A comma B belongs to S and B comma C belongs to S, so if we find this such ABC, then we have to check A comma C belongs to S. That means what? This means that A is less than B cube and B is less than C cube. That should imply that A is less than C cube. Let us take an example. Let A equal to 9, B equal to 8 and C equal to 2. These all are real numbers. Okay, so no problem. Now check, 9 is less than 8 cube. That means A is less than B cube, and 8 is less than equal to 2 cube. That means B is less than equal to C cube. Okay, now observe that 9 is not less than equal to C cube, which is in fact 9 is greater than C cube, that is 2 cube. Okay, here we have to write 2 cube. Okay, 2 cube. So that means A is greater than C cube. So we have an example that 9 comma 8 belongs to S and 8 comma 2 belongs to S, but 9 comma 2 does not belongs to S. So here it fails also the transitivity. Therefore S is not transitive relation. So we have checked that, therefore S is not reflexive, symmetric or transitive relation. Transitive relation. Okay. So this is the answer. F is not reflexive, symmetric or transitive relation. Nothing. So I hope you have understood the problem, how I solve. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.